Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a setup of a HOOBRO or HOOBRO Duet piano bench. Now our son is taking piano lessons and we decided to, he had a small keyboard, but it's recommended that you get a full keyboard. I'll be doing another unboxing later of something else, and I'll be showing you that. Now, we ordered it. I ordered this on Amazon, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the unboxing. But what I'm going to do is I'll speed up sections so you're not bored with me unpacking and the assembly process.
Ooh, it's perfect.
Now, as you can see, there's some styrofoam packing, and it comes already. All you pretty much have to do is put on the legs for the item. Now, comes with plastic. I'm going to inspect it because there was a little bit of damage in this corner of the packaging.
Oops.
So I'm going to see if there's any damage, and yes, there is. There is a rip in the packaging. I don't know whether to send this back or what. I'm going to pause the video and consult with my wife. I'm back. So I consulted with my wife about the bench, and we decided to return it. Now, I ordered it through Amazon. They have a they ask, you check off that you want to return, and they go, the reason why you're returning it. I said damage, and then it came up, do you want to get it replaced with another one? And well, I still need the bench, so I checked off yes. And then you get the QR code. I brought it to the UPS store to return it. Stand by. I have to wait for the delivery of another one, and hopefully that one won't be damaged. The problem is it's not their fault really. Could they have added a little bit more packing material? Yes, but the way that packages are handled by UPS, FedEx, it's really terrible. They don't take care of the packages. They throw them. It's like a gorilla got loose and did it. Anyway, stand by for part 2. I'm back for part 2 of the piano bench that I had ordered. I had sent back. This came the other day. I didn't have an opportunity to put it together or open it yet. I'm not getting my hopes up. When I picked it up outside from the delivery and I moved it around, I could hear it sound like either rocks or screws rolling around inside, and I'll try to get it on camera here of the sound. There's the sound. Okay, there is something either broken, it's either broken, or there's loose, something is loose in there. Don't know until I open it. I would hate to send back another one. But this is what you have to go through sometimes. I gotta open this up and we're going to inspect it to see if there's something wrong. Keep our fingers crossed. Now, the good thing is, now there's a couple dings in the box, okay, and everything, but I don't see any cuts where it goes into the box. The last packaging had an opening in the box where the damage was, and that's where it was damaged on the seat cushion. Okay. Let's see what we got. What's rattling around inside the box? Okay, first of all, there's no damage to the edges that I can see from this angle. And let's pick it up. I think it's inside of here of what's moving around. So let's open this up. So far so good, no damage. Okay, no damage. No damage that I can see. And what I think it is, that there's a package in here. Okay, these are moving around here, and here, okay, there's the problem. There's a hole,
Here.
aha, there's a hole where the hardware was, and it's inside the bag. Hopefully everything is there for the completion. Now, why there's a hole in the bag, I have no idea how that got there. It just shows you that how these things are packed, and you ask yourself, how can that be? Now, it's protected. Even the threads of the legs here are protected with foam, which is a good sign, because probably if it was to rattle around, it could damage the thread. And we'll take these off. I think that this is going to be a basic install, because there's not too many. Now, here are the directions for the install. They give you a picture of the final product, and blah blah blah. Okay, they show what is in here and everything. The bench, 4 legs, the nuts, looks like a lock washer, flat washer, and a wrench. So let's see if that's in the the bag, aha, right here is a flat washer. So, let's see if everything is together. So, we're supposed to have 4 lock washers. 1, 2, 3, and no. The 4, and there's 4 flat washers and 3 nuts.
Yeah, the
Wait a minute, here's another nut in here. Here's another lock washer. So I got 4 lock washers, 4 nuts, and everything is there. I guess I can't complain too much because it's there, but it could have been packed a lot better than what it was. And let's stand this up. We'll put in the one side first. Now, let me get the directions. I pretty much know how to handle it. Anyway, it's just as I thought. We put that in. It's flat washer first. Flat washer. Okay. Lock washer. And then nut. And we'll put that in. So, it's not going. Okay, there we go. That's one. Now, I'm going to do the rest. You don't have to watch me put in the other 4. It's the same with the other 4. You put each leg in. It goes flat washer, lock washer, nut. And I'll get back to you when I have all 4 together. Now, I made it all thumb tight, the connections. I try to keep it where the joints meet together. And next, you take, now it's pretty stable. All we have to do is tighten up all the nuts. So we'll tighten these up. Now the only thing I see that could give me a little problem is this corner here, because you know I have to work around this hinge. Not hinge, it's pretty much to keep it open. I forget what they call that. But so I'll get back to you after I tighten it all up, and then I'll show you the finished product. Now it's all assembled. It's stable, which is good, and this opens and closes very nicely. Stays open. Close. It's an easy assembly and everything. I'm going to have to deduct 1 star because of the packaging. Once again, they have to be more careful. Parts can be lost, especially if the box was torn. Then the parts would have been out and I would have been sending it back. again. Now, here's the piano, my son's piano. And that's why we bought this, because we bought a piano, we bought the bench for him. Now, this is a Duet bench. It's supposed to be for 2 people. It's probably for 2 very small people, because the American size rear end is a little bit wider. This comes from China, so it's good. Now, it does fit underneath the piano, so that's good too. And this is a very high up piano, so, but I believe that it's just that it looks small, this piano, because it's the electric piano. And like I said, it's all good. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps you out putting it together. Have a good day, everyone.